In today's high-speed digital world, a reliable internet connection is essential for gaming, streaming, and professional work. While Wi-Fi is convenient, nothing beats the stability and speed of a wired connection. With so many options available, choosing the right Cat7 Ethernet cable can be overwhelming. To help you out, we've rounded up the top 5 Cat7 Ethernet cables that offer superior performance, durability, and value. Let's dive in. Number 5. Cat7 Ethernet cable 25 feet high-speed 10 gigabits per second 600 MHz, shielded Ethernet cord, LAN cable with RJ45, weatherproof flat internet network patch cord, fast LAN wire for gaming, PS5/4/3, Xbox, modem, router. About this item. Zenadum Cat7 Ethernet cable offers performance of up to 600 MHz and data speed up to 10 gigabits per second, guarantees high-speed data transfer for server applications, cloud computing, and HD video streaming. Made of 4 shielded twisted pairs, STP, of copper wire with gold plated. Zenadum high-speed Cat7 Ethernet cable works well with all RJ45 connector devices. Compatible with iMac Pro, PS3, PS4, PS4 Pro, Raspberry Pi 4 router, Wi-Fi extender, Switch, Smart TV, Xbox, Xbox One, SkyQ box, video game consoles, TV decoder, BT Smart Hub, Virgin modem, patch panel, PCs, network printers, media players, TV box, NAS, VoIP phones, etc. Flat cable design is more convenient for installation and use. You can easily and seamlessly make the cable run along walls, follow edges corners. Number 4. Dacron Cat8 Ethernet cable 50 feet shielded, indoor-outdoor, heavy-duty high-speed direct burial 26 AWG network wire, 40 gigabits per second 2000 MHz SFTP patch cord, in-wall weatherproof RJ45 cable for router/modem. About this item. Ultra Internet Speed Cat8 Precision Twisted SFTP Ethernet cable operates at a frequency of 2 GHz, 2000 MHz, which enables higher bandwidth and requires shielding and is regarded as a new option for emerging 25 base T and 40 base T networks. Universal compatibility Cat8 patch cable is fully backward compatible with all the previous Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, and Cat7 RJ45 cabling and equipment. And RJ45 network cable is faster than Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6 patch cords. You will have a better experience in using Dacron Cat8 fast speed Ethernet cord. Faster data transmission rate Dacron UL rated Cat8 cable is designed to support 25 base T and 40 base T applications. It is suitable for small or middle enterprise LANs, especially for data. Number 3. Orbram Cat8 Ethernet cable 50 feet, nylon braided high-speed heavy-duty network LAN patch cord, 40 gigabits per second 2000 MHz SFTP RJ45 flat internet cable shielded in wall, indoor-outdoor, for modem router gaming/PC. About this item. Higher speed Cat8 shielded Ethernet cable provides performance of up to 40,000 megabits per second, or to 40 gigabit per second, high bandwidth of up to 2000 MHz, high-speed data transfer for server applications, cloud storage, online HD video streaming and gaming. Anti-interference design. Orbram professional network cables are made of 4 shielded foil twisted pair S/FTP copper wires with 24K gold-plated RJ45 connectors on each end. Compared to the Cat7 network Ethernet cable, the additional shielding and improved quality in twisting of the wires provides better protection from crosstalk, noise, and interference that can degrade the signal quality. Incredible durable double-braided nylon exterior make Cat8 Ethernet cable more durable, flexible and tang. Number 2. Ugreen Cat7 Ethernet cable, 6-foot Ethernet cable with 10 gigabits per second high speed, 100% pure copper wire and gold-plated connectors, flat design, compatible with gaming PS5/4/3 Xbox PC laptop modem router. About this item, 10 gigabits per second high speed. Ugreen Ethernet cable Cat7 supports bandwidth up to 600 MHz and transmits data at speed up to 10 gigabits per second. No matter when you are online gaming, surfing the internet, streaming videos, listening to music, downloading or uploading, there is no hassle of slow network. Universal compatibility. Ugreen Cat7 gigabit Ethernet cable can be perfectly compatible with computers, laptops, modems, routers, PS5, PS4, PS3, Xbox Series, Xbox One, Xbox 360, Switch, networking switches, ADSL, network adapters, hubs, and other networking devices with the RJ45 connector. Flexible flat design. Ugreen high-speed Cat7 Ethernet cable adopts a unique flat and thin design, which allows for a cleaner and safer installation, shielded from interference. Ugreen RJ45 Ethernet. Patch. Number 1. Billion to Cat8 Ethernet cable, outdoor-indoor, 6-foot heavy-duty high-speed 26 AWG, 2000 MHz with gold-plated RJ45 connector, weatherproof S/FTP UV resistant for router, modem, PC, gaming. About this item, heavy-duty direct burial, double-shielded Cat8 Ethernet cable reduces EMI/RFI interference, provides high fidelity for long-distance data transmission, waterproof, anti-corrosion, durable, and flexible with upgraded PVC, suitable for outdoor and indoor use, can be buried directly. 26 AWG superior performance. Thicker 26 AWG Cat8 Ethernet cable offers faster and more stable data transfer compared to 32 AWG F/FTP hyper-speed. Cat8 Ethernet cable made of 4 shielded foil twisted pairs and single-strand OFC wires. 26 AWG RJ45 connectors wide compatibility. Cat8 Ethernet cable with 2 shielded RJ45 connectors. Compatible with networking switches, IP cameras, routers, Nintendo Switch, modems, PS3, PS4, Xbox, patch panels, servers, smart TVs, and more. Works with Cat7.